Wisconsin Democrats are accusing the Republican legislature of trying to overturn an election they lost.
They accuse Republican Assembly Speaker Robin Vos of trying to impeach Justice Janet Protasiewicz. Her win flipped the state Supreme Court from a conservative to a liberal majority.
Julia Fellow now with the latest on lawsuits that have both sides heated.
The issue circles around two lawsuits that have not even made it to the Supreme Court yet. Both seek to overturn the Republican-drawn legislative electoral maps created in 2011. For years, Democrats have accused the maps of being gerrymandered, and Justice Janet Protasiewicz called the maps rigged during her campaign. Republican Speaker Robin Vos calling on the justice to recuse herself. Now, the Associated Press reports that Republican lawmakers are floating the possibility of impeaching her. Democrats called it a power grab.
Every legislator must look in the mirror and ask whether they are willing to erase the votes of over 1 million Wisconsinites, including their own constituents.
We asked Assembly Majority Leader Tyler August about the possibility of impeachment.
It's really up to her. I don't think that it's going to come to that, because I think that she'll do the right thing and recuse herself.
Speaking in front of the state capitol, Democratic state lawmakers announced a $4 million campaign they are calling Defend Justice.
If politicians in Wisconsin or anywhere in our nation can undo elections because they don't like the outcome, frankly, what is the point of elections?
This includes having Democratic supporters knocking on doors in Republican-controlled districts as early as tonight.
When you have a political operation saying we're going to go out and knock on doors, which is what you do during campaigns, and campaign to keep a justice on a case, proves our point.
Democrats believe the Republican-controlled Assembly could vote on impeachment as early as this week. With a 65-34 majority, it takes 50 votes to do so. This would bar her from any of her duties as justice until the state Senate had a trial. It would take 22 votes to convict, the exact number of seats Senate Republicans hold. There are other high-profile cases likely to head to the Supreme Court. This includes the issue of drop boxes and abortion. Reporting in Madison, Julia Fellow, TMJ4 News.